Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram story from specific users. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram. Now go to the story you had posted. Click on the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner. Now go to story settings. Here you can see the hide story from option. Click on it. Now you can choose the user you want to hide the story from. And that is how you can hide Instagram story from specific users. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.